a long time. You gotta go check it out.
Alright, so I'm gonna introduce, I've told you many times in past videos, Poppa Smurf. So I got a 94 Big Body Cadillac. Hard. But it's been garaged for about the past maybe like 13 years. But my boy Alex and Art and everybody over at Hoppos is the ones that helped build the car. So they're here. Let me run into them right now, see what they talk about.
What up? What's up? Dude, long time.
Yeah.
You're still growing, dude.
Chilling, right? You know what I mean?
I'm shrinking.
Hey, you say something to your brother, man. All right.
Oh, shit. What up, dude?
Nah, good to see you, man. I'll go back on the other side, man. You know what I mean? Like,
Long time, dude.
dog. I was just telling him, I was like, hey, we're gonna bring Poppa Smurf out. Hoppos is here. We're gonna figure it out.
Well, you left us. It's like you got a divorce and you went to the import world. You lived with
Okay.
Lowrider.
He says I left them, but they're the ones, no disrespect, doing bigger and better things. They went from Ontario to now they're located in Riverside at a big shop.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Tell everybody your name, how big they can find you, and what you do.
Yeah, so my name's Alex Swanson. We own Hoppos Custom Suspension Works, and we've been in business since '89, and we're in Riverside, California. Everything online at hopposonline.com. Yeah.
Hey, anything and everything you need, it doesn't matter if you're within the States, they ship it. Japan, Australia, they can get it to you.
Yeah.
Anywhere, anything that you need. And they do a lot of their work in-house.
Yeah,
in-house.
we've got 17 CNC machines, 2 lasers, robotic welders, press brakes. Dude, it's been a long time. You gotta go check it out.
Yeah.
It's been a minute. It's a world of a difference.
Hey, I told you guys, man, hey, Hoppos, make sure you follow them, check it out. They'll get your cars built the right way, looking clean. Most definitely, for sure.
So we originally started in the driveway back in 1989. We do hydraulic air suspension, custom frames, chassis. We progressed since then, and now we're doing full manufacturing, man. Like, it's crazy, dude. We're living the American dream, man. That's all it is. We're working hard for it. We're doing it, still putting out quality product, and we're here throughout all the years, you know. So
okay, so since you've been in the game, pretty much since late 80s, early 90s,
yeah,
you've seen a lot of transformation.
Yeah.
So from hydraulics now, if somebody wants let's say somebody wants to hit back bumper, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of different setups, different types of pumps. What would you suggest?
First, I wouldn't suggest to start with that. I would say start with like a setup you got. Get used to it. 2 pump, front, back, side, side. 6 batteries, 8 batteries max. Get used to it, enjoy it for a year or 2. Get your feet wet. Then from there you progress and you upgrade and you upgrade and you upgrade. I wouldn't say jump in the deep end before you know how to swim.
Okay.
That's it, you know?
Now, with the amount of money that it takes to build these cars,
Yeah.
do they break?
100%. 100%.
Comes with the territory.
Comes with it. It's just like anything else, you know. It's like you build it as great as you can, but in the end, there's always still an unknown variable. The person on the switch, unknown, just something. What we're doing, if it was meant to be done, GM would have put this on their walls back in the day, right? So it's one of those things that we want aftermarket, we want faster, we want higher, we want quicker. Just like anything else in the import world to this, you want to go faster, you're gonna break stuff, you know. And these guys know that in this territory, once you go into that, you're gonna spend more, you're gonna break it, you're gonna fix it, you're gonna beat it, just for the love of it. You know, we love what what we do.
So you've dealt with Lexuses, Buicks, Impalas, Cadillacs, mini trucks. You've dealt with everything from top to bottom.
Yeah, all of them.
What is, off the top of your head, the most expensive vehicle that you have had your hands on?
That I personally have my hands on? Probably 58 Impala, oh actually 57 Impala, or 57 Bel Air, sorry. That's probably the most expensive one that we've touched, been incorporated in the build stuff for it. Twin turbo LSX 454, titanium, everything, full one-of-one hydraulic setup, full one-of-one everything, and that was representing the great state of Texas. So,
and when we say expensive, about how much is that vehicle worth? Well,
I'm not gonna put a figure number out there.
It's hypothetical, like in between.
Hypothetically, I have possibly worked on cars that are worth over $2 million.
Did he say $2 million?
Hypothetically. Hypothetically.
Yeah. Just because you spend all the money, remember, it comes with the game, it can still break. But, okay.
This car also sat at the Peterson Museum for 2-3 years, as known as one of the best lowriders in the world.
Oh, so it
sat at the Peterson, it just left. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Now, in terms of where lowriding is at, with the culture, with how people are building their cars, the paint schemes, even with a lot of the accessories, are you happy with where it's at, or is there some type of improvement that you want to see happen?
I am very happy with where the industry's at now, but just like anything else, we always want more, man. Like, we always want bigger, better, badder, and it's happening. It's already progressing as it is. It's just a matter of time for crazier to happen. Everyone's always trying to outdo somebody else.
Gotcha.
So it's gonna happen eventually. It's a given.
People.
Keep riding, baby. Keep riding, man. Enjoy it. Have fun. Don't build. You're hearing all these numbers. Don't get discouraged from building something cool. Build in your means. Enjoy it. Have fun. Get out on the streets and just cruise it.
All right, tell people one more time your name, how people can find you and your company.
My name is Alex from Hoppos, and you can find me online, Hoppos_Alex on Instagram, and hopposonline.com on the website.
Hey, and tap into his YouTube channel. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it, man.